एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती का मुकाबला कर रहा है। ये चुनौती है टीबी की, जिसे क्षय रोग भी कहा जाता है। भारत ने संकल्प किया है 2025 तक टीबी मुक्त भारत बनाने का।
India is estimated to have the highest global burden of tuberculosis, a disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Growing drug resistance in Mycobacterium tuberculosis and transmission is a significant barrier in controlling tuberculosis. In line with Government of India's mission, TB Mukt Bharat, the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have jointly set up the Indian Tuberculosis Genome Sequencing Consortium, the INTIGS. INTIGS is a network of 9 collaborating institutions across India. Samples collected from each center are processed at the clinical research sites of the Report India network. The consortium has so far sequenced 10,000 mycobacterium genomes and is cataloging the existing and emerging resistance mutations through genomics and artificial intelligence. Whole genome sequencing and targeted sequencing detect resistance mutations within hours to days as compared to the traditional culture-based drug susceptibility testing that takes weeks to identify resistant TB strains. Genomics-based approach through INTIGS, therefore, has the potential to transform the course of TB epidemic via early and accurate diagnosis. Understanding the distribution of clinical strains in the population, as well as that of drug resistance patterns in association with treatment outcomes, may help in better diagnosis and foster a move towards more community-based management of drug-resistant TB.